Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off permissions for iPhone apps. Now, this is not going to work the same way as how you do it on, say for example, the Androids. So the way that we do it is we head over to the settings, and I'm going to let you understand what I mean by that. And then you click the apps right here. Now, from this point forward, I want you to head over and look for that particular application. Say, for example, let's use Chrome. I'm going to click that one. And there you go. So here are the permissions that, or the changes that we can do for the permissions. Location, you can click this one right here, and then you can go ahead and change the location access or location settings. Local network, Face ID, Siri search, notifications, and so on and so forth. So here are some permissions that you can do. So I want you to go ahead and explore what permissions you're trying to check. Say, for example, notifications, you can allow this or not allow this. So it's totally up to you. And yeah, that's how you're going to turn on or off permissions for iPhone apps.